We are in Granvalla-Dolcu where the Maborda, the people who organized the Festa Mayor of our town, have just decorated the church bell tower of the church San Antonio Abad, our main church here in Granvalla-Dolcu, with a huge bandera, the Catalan flag. Well, if it was a nice moment when the church bell tower was decorated, then this is almost as exciting when these rock climbers, I guess you could call them, are somehow fixing the flag fabric to the tower. A lot of people have come here, more people than I expected. This turned out to be a popular event. I remember it. We didn't do this last year, but I think it will be a tradition again from now on. So this is a really nice moment, very symbolic, and it does the starting point of these extra days of Festa, which we have here in the last days of July and the first days of August. Before the main event starts on the 4th and 5th of August. We are in Granvalla-Dolcu, where we are now celebrating our Festa Mayor to honor the patron saint Mare de Déu de la Smith in Catalonia 2009.